Assalamu Aleikum, my lovely friends and family. Hope you're all in the best state of health with Saint Iman. Welcome to IWHAT 18 Kitchen. In today's video, being lighter, we are going to be sharing with you how to make this delicious mouth-watering meatball sauce. So let's begin. Bismillah. The first ingredient is to get the meatball. What type of meatball would you like to be using? Is it chicken, beef, or beef and chicken combined together? Some people combine pork and beef, but that's out of reach for the Muslim because pork is haram. For this recipe, you can either use homemade meatball, fresh made meatball, or frozen meatball. Depend on individual choice and the availability. As for me, I'm using 2 pack of sad meatballs. For the sauce, I'm going to be using 3 medium size of onion, ginger, and some garlic, along with 3 plum tomato, parsley, and basil. I'm also using 500 grams of Cirio passata tomatoes. Next is to clean the onion, ginger, and garlic. You don't need to peel the ginger. Today I learned new things about garlic that you can actually cook with the skin on, because I don't like peeling garlic skin, so I tried to check it out whether you can cook with it, and I was so surprised that you can actually cook with it, and it has a lot of health benefits because it contains vitamin A, E, and C, and it also have this antioxidant property. As I've learned something today, I hope you too have learned 1 or 2 things from this video so far. So let's continue. As per we are Nigerian now, we can't eat anything without our atarudo, which is the Scotch bonnet. Anyway, what you need to do next is to add everything to blender or chopper. Then you chop everything together until you are happy with the consistency. While you have already put on a pan on the cooker with 200 ml of oil. Once it's hot, add in the minced pepper and ginger, garlic, and onion together. Let it stir fry for a while you mix well. After this has been frying for like 5 minutes, next I'm going to be adding in the daikon radish. It's another healthy vegetable that I just discovered that it is good for inflammation, and since I discovered it, I can't cook without it because I need something to reduce the inflammation from the FND. Next is to add in the 3 plum and blend them. While that is going on, I put on water on the cooker and I keep stirring the sauce occasionally. Add some minced herb and mix well. Then follow it up by adding in the tomato. Mix well, then follow it up by adding 1 tablespoon of paprika. And follow it up by adding the passata tomato sauce. Use a little bit of water to rinse the carton and pour it, then mix well. Next is to add in some seasoning, and I'm going to be using some Maggi, which is ordinary knor. It's so hard, subhanallah. You see that pain where I just passed through now? Once in a while, you experience that kind of pain while cooking in the kitchen. Anyway, I just had 1 tablespoon of chicken jumbo. You know I love to mix my seasoning. By now, the Maggi that I put on the top of the cover to soften it is ready to be used. Once I've added to the sauce, I'll need to cover it and let it simmer for a while. After about 20 minutes, I open it and taste the sauce, and I realize that it needs a little bit of salt, so I'm adding a little bit of salt and mixing it well. Then cover again and let it continue cooking while I prep the spaghetti. For the spaghetti, little bit of oil and salt was added to boil water. Then I had 700 grams of spaghetti to it. I forgot to let you know that the meatball has been in the oven for 30 minutes and is ready to be added to the sauce. Once I finish adding everything to the sauce, I mix well and then cover and let it continue simmering while I check the spaghetti whether it is also ready, but unfortunately it's not. It is been 15 minutes now and the meatball sauce is ready. In Yoruba they'll say otimuta. I don't know how to translate this to English, so I beg, please someone come and rescue me. Will I say that the meatball is drowning in the sauce? I stand to be corrected. Anyway, the spaghetti is also ready. The heat has been off and it's now time to prep the parsley and basil. I'm using one handful of the leaves and I'm adding it to the chopper. You can use the knife to chop this, but have no energy to do that. After I finish chopping it in the chopper, I then add it to the meatball while the heat is off. Then you mix well and you let it settle. You can choose to on the heat again or you can just choose to leave it like that. Depend on your choice. Alhamdulillah ala kulli ni'mat. This is the end result of the sauce. That is if I'm the only one eating this sauce, but because my family does not like the taste and texture of some vegetable and leaves, so I put on the heat for like few minutes, like 2 minutes. With the sauce ready, what type of pasta are you planning to eat this with? Anyway, that is all we have for you for today. We hope you learn one or two things from this video. And we also hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. With this, I leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love, Iwat, and don't forget to keep smiling.